So I'm Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic Software Configuration Management in the subject Software Project Management. Software Configuration Management. Throughout the development, software consists of a collection of items. It may be the program, data, and documents that can easily be changed. So during the software development, the design, code, and even requirements after are often changed, and the changes occur at any time during the development. This easily changeable nature of software and the fact that the changes often takes place require that changes be done in a controlled manner. Software configuration management (SCM) is a discipline for systematically controlling the changes that takes place during development. Software configuration management is a process independent of the development process largely because most development models cannot accommodate change at any time during development. SCM can be considered as having three major components: software configuration identification, configuration control, status accounting, and auditing. Configuration identification: first requirement for any change management is to have clearly agreed on the basis. When the change is done, it should be clear to what changes has been applied. This require the baselines. A baseline change is changing of the established baseline which is controlled by SCM. So some of the common baselines are functional or requirement baseline, design baseline, and product or system baseline. Functional or requirement baseline is generally the requirements document that specifies the functional requirements for the software. It should be clear that the baseline is established only after the product is relatively stable. So the goal of SCM is to control the establishment and change to these baselines. Treating each baseline as a single unit for the purpose of change is undesirable. Configuration control: most of the decisions regarding the change are generally taken by the Configuration Control Board, which is a group of people responsible for configuration management headed by the configuration manager. For smaller projects, the CCB might consist of just one person. A change is initiated by the change request. The reason for change can be anything. The most common reasons for requirement changes due to bugs, platform changes, and enhancement changes. So the second part filled by the configuration management describes the decision taken by the CCB, the action CM feels that needs to be done. So the third part is filled by the implementer, implements the change, status accounting, and auditing. For status accounting, the main source of information is the CR and the FR. So generally a field CR by FR, configuration management. So the status could be active, complete, or not scheduled. So it's a summary which can be used by the project manager and the CCB to track all the changes. Thank you.